Want to control OBS Studio right from your phone? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to pair OBS Blade with OBS Studio from start to finish. Yeah, the setup only takes a few minutes, and once it's done, you'll be able to manage your stream remotely with ease. Before pairing, make sure you have OBS Studio installed on your computer and OBS Blade installed on your mobile device. It's also a good idea to update both apps to the latest available version for the smoothest connection. Next, open OBS Studio and go to the Tools menu, then select the WebSocket Server Settings option. If the server isn't already enabled, turn it on. You can also create or confirm the server password here since you'll need it during the pairing process. To connect your phone to OBS Studio, you'll need your computer's local IP address. You can find it through your network settings or by using a command prompt or terminal, depending on your operating system. Just make sure your phone and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now open OBS Blade on your phone and choose the option to add a new connection. Enter your computer's IP address, the WebSocket port if needed, and the password you set earlier, then tap Connect. So if everything was entered correctly, the app should pair with OBS Studio within a few seconds. Once connected, you'll see your OBS scenes, sources, and controls appear inside OBS Blade. That confirms the pairing was successful, and you're ready to control your broadcasts remotely from your mobile device. And that's all there is to pairing OBS Blade with OBS Studio. Yeah, after the initial setup, reconnecting is usually quick and automatic as long as both devices are on the same network. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.